everyone! Today we are going to know how to take care of our house. Just as we take care of our body, we should take care of our house too. Remember, a clean house is a healthy house. A clean house is free from houseflies, mosquitoes, cockroaches, and rats. How can we keep our house clean? Well, we can keep our house clean by following these steps. Number 1. Dust everything in the house. Number 2. Throw garbage into the dustbin. Number 3. Empty the dustbin every day. Number 4. Clean the bathrooms regularly. Number 5. Sweep and mop the floors every day. Number 6. Do not let water remain in the coolers when they are not being used. Number 7. Cover all the drains in and around the house. Number 8. Keep things at their proper places. A good house. A good house should have enough doors and windows to let fresh air and sunlight in. It should be neat and clean. Decorating our house. We can make our houses beautiful by using paintings on the wall, plants and flowers, and decorative lights.